fast forward that video. Actually, I was recording last video with almost everything was done. Oops, this volume. Oh, where was I? Yes. Oh, I just uploaded a video yesterday, but it got deleted. That's why I'm very sad about it. Like I have to last delete that, and I have to make it today video. Actually, that was Green Machines. 4 levels I played. Was not like doing. Okay, guys, just wait for me for some time. Actually, yeah, okay. I'm actually coming. If it is not loading. Wait for some guys. After it's back actually. No, I actually need it. Whoa. Actually, no, this is so right now. SST Susha? Okay, SST Susha. We will do it. Let's get it out. Sheesh. No, not this. We skip this. Actually. Download this game with me so you can play with me. And this is my club. Team Racing Gaming. Okay. Wow. Is this the volume, this one? Whoa. Let's try what we can do. Okay. So this is my first C class I have completed. So, see, this is the DST class. Just I need that. Wait, can I get the... Okay, let me check the blueprints. Wait, limited time soft packs, let me check. Oh no, I can't get it. Please let it be in the... Wait, it is not... Oh no! I need to play some games. It would be so nice if you can keep those. I need it. It's very emergency. Oh, I've not done anything in my device today. Did anybody think that Lamborghini would have this? I could never think. Actually, in my last video, I was showing you all the cars. Actually, you will take this, the one and the only one. I'll not upgrade. Wait, I forgot that. Oh, man. This game's graphic is great, but like my device is like not optimized. The device will like your Redmi K20 Pro, right? So it will not be pixelated. See, it's little bit pixelated if you play in the J8 one. In some videos, I will also teach the strategies how I race. Bam. Not in a train line. there's the storm. I'm coming. What? I can see the finish line. I can. Bam! Everybody took this car? Wow. Back. Time travel. Why would I need this? Because I already have a B-class Porsche. See? This is the B-class Porsche. Why would I need it? The Cayman of D-class. This is the best car actually. Okay. Please give me that. Please. Oh. Hey. I need to just replace that. Because that's very important for me. Let me go for my garage. Level 5. How much XP do I need? Oh my god, it's not working. Oh shit. It's a twister. Yes, it's a twister. Don't ask me. Get ready to die. 3, 2, 1, glow. Just kidding. Go Nitro. Oh. I think these are the last gates. No. Bam. What the hell? Yeah. Let's look at Lola. Should we? What the hell? Guys, we got this car. Yes. This is a car which I wanted. We have 10 cars. Wow, so great. Whoa! Don't test me. We'll also be getting the Lamborghini Asteron. Don't believe I got 10 cars. Okay, so we'll get three Ferrari cars. And I got it free. Oh, I was telling to my garage level and I did it. Oh, it was a dream that will never come true. Wait, how it is 7 and 8 minutes of recording? Hey, come on, dude. Have some. Oh. Win the race. Oh, 360 actually is not like dubbed actually. I think it is at a certain point you can use the 360. Hoocha! Guys, do you like jelly? Please tell me in the comments below. Bang! Oh, double knockdown! Shipwreck, obviously. I've told this dialogue in the video that could be uploaded. Oh, barrel. Bang! We stepped on that car. Yep, here must be the finish line. Is this? No. Golden Nitro! Take that part. I have not taken this part actually. It's first time I'm taking. Yes, boys! 360! Obviously I did. I finished the first race of that deleted upload like this. So much credits. Let's unlock the 3 Ferrari cars. Okay, I'm going back. Okay. Okay. Wait guys, but my mother actually called me, that's why I was in a problem. Okay, I win that race and got the 3 Ferrari cars and I got 9 of them actually total.
Set the rule and no suckers allowed to break bread or asunder the daylight.
Oops, just wait for a minute. It's okay. Should I buy another car? I think I should. I should take the 2001 like see the camera one is not today. Wait, stars and stripes actually think that's a new level I think. Welcome to Paradise. Oh yeah, I remember that day video of Karna Vanessa Veltas. I got that car actually on that day. Oh, it's raining right now. Oh. Guys, you wanna see this? Actually, phone you can see the water splashes. What actually was in the other phone, I've seen that it has. Oh shit! I was to play the brain machines. I forgot it. Come on, load. I don't have much time. I think it has been 20 minutes recording. Okay, guys, this is my last race. Okay, and then we will end the video here. Actually, the Paradise one is for the convertibles and the roadsters. This is the great car. Okay, but the problem only left is we can't just like it has just only 4 fuel tanks. It's actually faster than Lamborghini. Oh no! Wait, guys, is this a dream? I went on 2 wheels. Not the same liberty. Wait. Did I went to 2 wheels? I just I just rotated. Back. That Lamborghini. That's very rare actually. I got my 360 wrong and like I should have been crashed and second place. Yeah, whatever. So guys, for now, Nitin Gaming out. See you in the next video.